Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys mobile data network guys. How can we reset? Friends, you want to reset guys your Infinix phone mobile data settings. So how can we reset? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel. Friends, now let's see how can we reset guys Infinix phone mobile data guys. So friends, we will scroll and friends you can see guys your Infinix mobile guys this system setting guys. We will tap here guys, and friends you will have to tap on guys your reset option guys. Tap on reset. Friends, you can see guys this mobile guys. We will tap here guys. You can see mobile data guys. We will tap here to reset. After guys 10 and guys 8 second guys setting has been reset. So friends, you can use guys your mobile network guys. You can check here guys. You can use guys your mobile network setting from here guys. So like the guy, we can reset guys Infinix phone mobile network setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.